So right now, again yesterday we discussed about the names of the land, and we have little bit discussed about the names of the land. So starting with this,
सर अब तो वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
सर वीडियो आ गया है।
कहने दीजिए, कुछ लोग की आदत है कहने की, इसको हम नहीं रोक सकते। What, where, how and when. Today is 19th. 19th, then 9th, 2020. So, what, where, how, and when. It is clear? Now, yesterday we have discussed about the names of the land, and I think we have discussed about the different names of the country and on whose name our land consists the name. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So now,
सर
so regarding up to the
Yes,
page number
sir.
4, if you leave the last paragraph, we have read up to that page. So still you have doubt, you can ask, because right now we are revising, and today is the third day of revising this lesson. Yeah? So I think from my side, I don't know what about your opinion, that it is going in a well manner or just, मतलब आप अभी भी समझ रहे हैं कि नहीं?
यस सर समझ रहे हैं।
आराध्या सिंह कौन है? आराध्या सिंह, आराध्या, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट गर्ल आराध्या सिंह, सुन रहे हैं? चलिए देखिए, यही तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगता है, when I will try to inquire from you and you are not giving the answers. Sanjit Singh, are you listening? No? It will be more beneficial for those students, yes? It will be more beneficial to those students who are not joined earlier, so they have the golden chance to understand, and those who have read, we are going to revise, so it will be understood in a well planned manner. So now, please keep quiet. Keep quiet. Talking just, it is still, this is also the class, so don't disturb. So right, finding out about the past. अब हम बात करेंगे finding out.
अस्पताल पे चल दीजिए करना
अपने इधर से अपने आप को म्यूट कीजिए. Finding out about the past. Say this. So when we talk about finding out about the past, in this, then there are several ways of finding out about the past. बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. There are lots and lots of method to understand and to know about the past. So the method we have discussed about many times, the many methods. So basically right now we talk about this, starting with this first of all. And to know about the past, we will found that this is written in the books. For example, whether we try to find out about the old things, we still have to go through the books. For example, एक simple सा example देता हूँ, but आप इसमें ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे. जैसे आप पढ़ते हैं, अभी आगे 7th क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. In this book also you have read about the Ashoka the Great, Alexander the Great, Akbar the Great. But in this year, you have to read about or read about which one? Ashoka. So, Ashoka also belonged from Magad, and his grandfather established Maurya dynasty, Chandragupta Maurya. Then Bindusar, and then Ashoka. So to know about this, that what the chronology of that kingdom, and the last king of this dynasty was Dashrath. Don't think about that Dashrath from Ishwaku ones, because the name can also be taken by anyone. So this one. So on this basis, we get the knowledge by the books. It is written that who started this dynasty and who was the son of that king and who will be the next king. So we can say, to know about the past, by reading the books, we can know about the past. Clear? So this one. So earlier, when we talk about the books, or when we talk about even the religious books, the religious books also known by the name of scriptures. In Hindi, it is known as Granth. So these are the religious books, and most probably we have seen that these books were written by the hand, because earlier there was no computer and no printing press. So because we don't have printing press, so it can't be Xerox. So one book, one copy is you have to take it in a very safe manner. Otherwise, if it will be torn out, then it will be difficult to write down the another one. So that's why earlier, the things which pass on by the ancestors, it will be go in the process of basically in a oral form. So that's why earlier the person, we can say, the person by heart the scriptures, उसको कंठस्थ कर लेते थे. कंठस्थ करने की मजबूरी के दी, और उस समय कह सकते हैं कि उनका स्टूडेंट्स का लेवल बहुत हाई था लर्न करने का, कि उसको पूरी बुक को अपने दिमाग में, उसकी स्मृति में उसको बिठा लेते थे दिमाग में. So and that manner, and the books are written by the hand. So, and in the Latin word, the hand is known by name is menu, and it is written in something language. Any language have the script. Any language have the script. So they will write in whatever script. When we talk about this, so it is written in Sanskrit. Mostly earlier when talk about in Indian history and ancient history, it is written in Sanskrit. And if you see at the page number 4, this Sanskrit is different from the Sanskrit we are studying today. So this Sanskrit is Vedic Sanskrit. Clear? If we see, this is written on the palm leaves and manuscripts, even on the skin of the animals and many more things. Clear? It will also written on the hard surfaces also, which will go for the last long. Then menu is script. So menu is the Latin word which means by hand. So basically earlier the scriptures or the religious books or the books were written by the hand. So that's any book consists of script. Script means a language, means a person, not we can say that every person can read. So those person who have the knowledge of that language, and that language is written in that script method. So that's why it is known by the name of manuscripts. Means the script which is written by hand, this is known as manuscript. For example, if you want to see, you can found these manuscript in the monasteries and the temples. Clear? This one. Because these were written on the, we can't say about the papers, it look like a paper, or we can say in other words, these are the papers. So this is written on Bhojpatras, which will be very thin and which can be torn out very easily. So these pages can be kept in a very secret way. Not secret means in preserving way. That it will go last long, otherwise it will be destroyed. Clear? And it can also be decayed. So it can be put in a very preserving manner. Clear? So this is manuscript. Understood? Now another thing we discuss about the inscriptions. So first of all, I will ask, do you understand or not? Tell me.
Yes,
कैसा है बेटा? पहले मेरी बात है, आप 1 मिनट सुन लीजिए. जो बच्चा भी जरा बैठा है या कहीं बोले कि they will not make the noise, otherwise other will also disturb. Please.
सर जो रिलीजियस बुक है सर वो अर्लियर
क्या चीज रिलीजियस बुक क्या?
सर अर्लियर ना लिखे थे अर्लियर.
अच्छा ये बताइए कि आज के समय में आप क्या हनुमान चालीसा नहीं पढ़ते हैं? पढ़ते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
तो religious book, listen, religious books were also written earlier also and today also. But earlier the religious book can also be printed. But earlier there is no method of printing because there was no printing press, no pages, no papers. So if they write the one book, they have to keep it in a very preserving manner. Even they don't have the pen, they will write with they will make special kind of fluid, and you have seen this peacock feathers, and by the help of feathers they will write down.
ओके सर.
रिलीजियस बुक की जब हम बात करते हैं तो रिलीजियस बुक पहले भी लिखी जाती थी, आज भी लिखी जाती है. अंतर क्या है? अर्लियर द थीम एंड मोस्टली द बुक्स जस्ट रिटन ऑन मोस्टली because at that time Abhigyan Shakuntala, many more things are written. These are the dramas, and these dramas are also written, and these have the different thing. It is separated from the religious theme.
सर इसमें सीक्रेट क्या था अभी बता रहे थे?
सीक्रेट क्या? सीक्रेट में इसको बहुत ही सीक्रेट का मतलब उसको बहुत ही उस स्क्रिप्चर को हाइडिंग वे में रखना पड़ता था, संभाल के रखना पड़ता था, छुपा कर कि फट ना जाए. आज की तरह कहीं भी नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो यार चलो आज कॉपी खो गई, चलो दूसरी कल बना लेंगे, मार्केट में अवेलेबल फोटो स्टेट करा लेंगे. Earlier this method was not, so they have to keep in a very secret. Secret means उसको बहुत प्रिजर्विंग मैटर में रखना था. सीक्रेट जब उसे छुपा के रखेंगे तभी तो बचेगा. और सब होता था
8086.
हर किसी को पढ़ना ही नहीं आता था. समझ में आई बात? Understood? So if there any doubt you can ask. Now we'll move. Another student.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
It's okay. So right now we'll move. Just you have to know about the manuscript. Manuscript. The script. Manu is a Latin word and it means by hand. So the script which is written by hand is known as manuscript. Here, simple word meaning. Manu is a Latin word which means by hand. And the script in Hindi it is known as लिपि, लिखने और पढ़ने के ढंग को जो भी है, ठीक है, क्योंकि किसी भी भाषा की लिपि है. For example, not for example, so that in that manner we can say the thing which is written by hand and the thing is script. So the script which is written by hand, this is known as manuscript. The another one is inscriptions. And see this, one more example. We can also tell about the difference. Manuscript were written on the soft pages. Manuscript were written on the soft pages. The another one is inscriptions. So when we talk about the inscriptions, inscriptions were written on the hard surface. Inscriptions were written on the hard surfaces. Here, hard, which is very hard.
hard surface मतलब
For a hard surface, if you will try to write in a
stone.
देखिए,
सर अनम्यूट कर दीजिए सबको.
देखिए, अगर हम हार्ड सरफेस पे लिख रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखिए, ये व्हाइट बोर्ड भी हार्ड सरफेस है, ठीक है. एंड इफ आई विल राइट ऑन द पेपर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if I will write on the chart paper and it will be not tagged, or otherwise I will not use the thumbnail on this, it can be floating. So if I will write on the hard surface on the whiteboard, you can see it very clearly, as well as if no one will rub this, it will be go last longing. अगर ये 10 साल तक मैं ऐसे ही छोड़ दूं तो दिखता रहेगा, लिखा रहेगा. So earlier to write on the hard surface and written with the chisels and whatever they use the method to write it, and it will be right on the walls. It will be right on the walls. So it will go last longing, as well as the nature will also not corrupt it. For example, कागज पे लिखेंगे, if the somebody there is a rainfall, it will be ruined. But if it is written on this surface, the hard surface, if you see at the page, there is also another kind of script, but it is in Greek and Aramaic. So it can be even I can't read the script which is written on the page number 4 and the script which is written on the page number 5, because at the page number 5 they use two kinds of script, Aramaic and the Greek. So these both are the languages, and the both languages written in a different form. So different form or the art of writing any language, it is known as script. Clear? This one. So scriptions were written on the hard surfaces. It means it will go last longing. Example, they will write on the walls. It can't be ruined. दीमक लग गया तो दीमक से खराब नहीं होगा ना. White ants लग गए, termites लग गए कागज में. ये कितनी भी पूरा किताब है, जब उसको रखते हैं तो खराब होने लगती है. So this one, as well as simple method. If you read this, it is written earlier. Very less amount of people were literate. So even when you talk about the Ashoka give the sermons or written the sermons of Lord Buddha on the walls, as well as they appointed the people to tell them what is written. Means the literate person can read the languages. It is written in the Pali and Prakrit language, because the sermons which is given by the Lord Buddha and in that languages, which will become the local dialect, जो वहाँ की प्रचलित लोक भाषाएं थी, उसमें उन्होंने ज्ञान दिया. Because the things which is written in the Sanskrit, it is not understandable by the everyone. We later discuss why the another kind of religion was arose in the form of Buddhism and Jainism. Clear? So this one. So, as well as in this, on this inscriptions, it can also be written religious matters and many more. Even their victories of some kings and battles, and even the sermons of some religious preacher. Clear? So it can be written in Prakrit, Tamil, and many more languages. Because one day I discussed about the origin of the different languages and where it was spoken. Matra, mother, and whatever it. Clear? Tell me. Doubt?
Yes, sir, clear.
If here is doubt, you can ask. Anyone? चुप मत
No,
रहिए.
sir.
हाँ बोलिए.
No, sir.
हाँ जल्दी बोलिए.
बैटल और वेक्टोरिस किस चीज से रिलेटेड है?
बैटल का मतलब हो जाता है लड़ाई. तो मानिए कि किस राजा ने कौन सी लड़ाई लड़ी, अगर कागज पे लिखेगा तो कुछ दिन में खराब हो जाएगी. If it will be written on the hard surfaces, on the walls, it will go last long. If you visit to the Indian Gate, which is in Delhi, if you visit to the India Gate, which is in Delhi, if you reach near the Amar Jawan Jyoti, that place, that wall consists.
बैटल के बाद क्या लिखे हैं सर? बैटल के बाद?
बैटल के बाद सरमन्स लिखे हैं. That
सर सरमन्स का मतलब क्या होता है?
उपदेश. उपदेश.
तो बैटल के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
भगवान बुद्ध ने बहुत से उपदेश दिए, बस सरमन्स के बाद कुछ नहीं लिखे. This one is the last one. Clear? So, if you visit to the India Gate, you will find that they have written the name of the soldiers, and whenever it was written, it was still. So, if it is written on the chart paper and it will just tag out. So, after some time, it will be ruined. So that's why they keep the name by the method of inscribed way. Clear? So inscribed way is known as inscriptions. Clear? Yes. और बताइए. समझा रहे सब बच्चों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलिए तो ये हो गया. और जो स्क्रिप्ट की लैंग्वेजेस है, प्रकृत है, तमिल है, बहुत सारी स्क्रिप्ट है. एंड टेल मी अबाउट द आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट. व्हाट अबाउट द आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट?
The expert who study the past.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. जो भी बालक है बहुत अच्छा है. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट
पुरातत्ववेत्ता.
यस इन हिंदी पुरातत्व. आपको जो हम पिछला पढ़ाया ना, सुनिए, आपको जो पिछला पढ़ाया उसको एक बार खोल के भी देखिए. द एक्सपर्ट who studied about the past, who studied about past or study about past. So, and the method is not the study about just, they will read by the method of just reading about the books. they go in a practical way. The archaeologists are social scientists. They have done some special courses. So by the method of the carbon dating 14, they understood that the things which they read how much old, and just to method to tell about this, and the method they will use, this method is carbon dating 14. Clear? Then this was
Yes,
the
sir.
archaeologist. Then sculptures related to the designing of some buildings and whatever it, excavation and many more things. So if you still have a doubt, any word you can ask.
आप क्या लिखे हैं?
कहाँ पे बोलिए? लास्ट लाइन में ये रिलीजियस है, ये विक्ट्रीज है, ये बैटल्स है और ये सरमन्स है। ठीक है, चलिए अब
सर एक बार सरमन्स का हिंदी मीनिंग बता दीजिए।
सरमन्स का हिंदी मीनिंग उपदेश है। उपदेश, जैसे महात्मा बुद्ध ने पहला उपदेश कहाँ दिया है?
बोध गया।
नहीं,
बोध गया सर, सारनाथ।
गया के बिहार में है।
फर्स्ट sermon which was given is सारनाथ. It is known as धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तन. Clear?
उनका तो स्थान गया में ना है।
शनि की चाली लिखे हुए हैं।
बोध गया लिखे देने से बोध गया हो जाएगा, वो तो बुद्धिस्टों का एक स्थान है, लेकिन सारे स्थान
सर यह सर सारनाथ में लॉर्ड बुद्धा की मूर्ति है सर।
आपको पता है कि आपके कंट्री से ज्यादा डिफरेंट कंट्रीज में बुद्धिस्ट लोग ज्यादा है। मंगोलिया में है, चाइना में है, साउथ कोरिया में है, नॉर्थ कोरिया,
जापान में।
हाँ जापान, वहां बुद्धिज्म ज्यादा है हमारी कंट्री से। तो ऐसा क्या हुआ कि बिकॉज दिस रिलीजन वाज अरोज इन इंडिया एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम इट वाज वेनिश्ड फ्रॉम इंडिया. This is not the part of this lesson. Later when we started this lesson we will discuss. So we have to discuss right now about
सर्विस टाउन से सर मतलब क्या होता है?
पूछिए चले।
सर बैटल थी सर बदल में।
बैटल का मतलब युद्ध हो गया, विक्ट्री माने जीत हो गया, रिलीजियस माने धार्मिक हो गया, सरमन्स माने उपदेश हो गया, और another one is, so on the basis of artifacts we can say simple sense, another word, archaeologists basis on the artifacts. Artifacts are just related tools, weapons and whatever it.
सर ये आप गलत लिखे हैं।
Sorry,
नहीं था क्या?
artifacts, चले artifacts, clear?
Yes sir.
One past or many. Then historians, the another word is historians. Here I will write about the historian word. So the person who study about the past, the person who study about the past, so this is known as historian. कि जो पुरानी चीजों के बारे में पढ़ता है, लिखता है उसके बारे में, this kind of person is known as historian. Clear? नहीं, एक नहीं होता है, अलग अलग होता है. The some student is asking, there is a difference between historian and archaeologist. So yes, there is a difference between historian and archaeologist. Then we can say first of all, when we talk about the archaeologist, this one is Puratattva Veda. So on the help of artifacts and artifacts, tools, weapons, skulls, bones, pottery, etc. So on the basis or on the study of these things, etc. include everything which we are left. So on the basis they can study or they are guessing that what kind of people or in which manner they live. So when we talk about the historian is just writing about the things, all things, by the method of reading about the books, and by getting the knowledge by reading about the books, they write their own opinion, so they will become the historian. And archaeologists worked on the real matter. Archaeologists studied means observation on the,
सर वो प्राइमरी सोर्सेस पढ़ते हैं ना?
yes, on the base, yes, they study about the primary sources. Clear? Then another thing is one past or many. तो इसमें किसी को कुछ पूछना है, इसको मैं मिटा रहा हूं. बताइए. चलिए, किसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो अच्छा है. One past or many. For example, if you see your book, you will find, and it will be very interesting, that your book consists name our pasts. And if you see regarding with the matter of English grammar, this one is wrong, because when we talk about the past tense regarding with this, if we add then s, then it's become the plural, और past का कोई plural नहीं होता. And here we are studying about the social science, not SST, social science. So already when we talk about the science is just the science, and in this already it included about the science and it's become the social science. So on this matter, the syllabus, or we can say, yes, the syllabus of the social science is greater than the science. If we talk about the geography, it already includes the science, and it has a wide, vast syllabus. So our past. So when we talk about the our past, this past consists everything. If you read about the first page, in the first page, it is starting from the hunting and gathering, then the herders, peasants, farmers, rulers, even the scientists. So we have to study about not one thing, we have to study about the many things. So that's become our past. Our past and our past many. Clear? Even we talk about the crowd, person, rulers and many more things. Clear? किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No sir.
No, sir.
No sir.
What do dates mean? We have discussed about the dates. We have discussed about the dates. We have discussed about the dates. So on the basis of dates, which is written in BC and AD, or BCE or AD. BCE before Common Era, or we can say also said Christ era.
Before Christ era.
Yes, before Christ era. At some place it written before Common Era. And you see, this one is AD, Anno Domini.
Anno Domini era.
Clear? And we have discussed too much about what is the difference between
Yes, sir.
the incidents which is before the birth of Jesus Christ. It will be counted
Christ.
era, and
Below the
incidents
birth of
which will be
Christ.
written after the birth of Jesus Christ. This is known as AD, in the era of AD. Clear? So only 1 minute is left. If you have any doubt, you can ask, because today this lesson is end up. And we have revised this lesson in a well manner. If you have any problem, it means you need some special efforts. And this boy is something different. He needs more attention. और जब तक आप खुद से नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो आपका मैं भला नहीं कर सकता, भगवान ही भला कर सकता है। दो बार हम पढ़ा दिए हैं। और ये बताइए कि कल किस लेसन को हम पढ़ेंगे, ये बताइए जल्दी।
सर सिविक्स।
चलिए
जियोग्राफी।
मैं रिवाइज
सर सिविक्स।
और एक दो लेसन खत्म करने पड़ेंगे
सर सिविक्स। सर सिविक्स पढ़ाइएगा।
क्योंकि इसमें का 6 लेसन मुझे खत्म करना है, अगर कहेंगे तो 6 लेसन इसमें का और सिविक्स का 1 लेसन अगर होगा तो। ठीक है, चलिए।
यस।
क्लास टाइम इज ओवर।
सर एटी फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
किसकी? चलो टाइम ओवर हो गया है।